In this video, I will share with you how to auto-expand the comments in Reddit. I ran into this issue because on my YouTube channel, I help people kick bad habits and improve their self-discipline. One thing that gets in the way is severe anxiety. So I went to Reddit, made this post, and I was absolutely blown away by how many people responded. But the issue that I quickly discovered is how often I need to click just to see the replies. And to make matters worse, I could have been the last one to reply. So I'm just wasting my time clicking without any reason for it. I just want it to auto-expand as I scroll. So that's why I went to the Chrome Web Store to see if any extensions already exist. At the time of recording, there really isn't any good options. Now you could say, hey Mark, look right there. It says Reddit comment collapser. Yes. But the issue is that this only works for old school Reddit. I don't know about you, but I actually like new school Reddit. I don't like this UI.
I said what I said.
Right? So this is when I went to ChatGPT and I asked it, how can I do it myself? And these are the steps that I'll be showing. Step number 1, I'll be downloading Tampermonkey. It's an extension in Chrome and Edge. I guess in Firefox, it's Grease Monkey, pretty much the same thing. And it allows you to paste in custom scripts. Now it's really nice because ChatGPT generated this for us. Now, this is not going to be the one that I'll be pasting in the description because it did take some trial and error. I don't really have the time to really go over all the things. The two main issues that I came across was that it wouldn't always auto-expand everything, or it would auto-expand everything all at once and Reddit would really malfunction. So I already did all the heavy lifting for you. So again, just take a look in the description. So step number 1, let's download Tampermonkey. Just going to go here, add extension. Perfect. So after installing the extension, it gives us this important warning saying that bad scripts can violate your privacy and act on your behalf. So only install scripts from sources you trust. Now from my side, I generated the code from ChatGPT. I'm only doing the feature of expand the comments in Reddit, so knock on wood, hopefully I'm safe and I'm good. But just in case you don't feel safe with the code that I provide, feel free to go to ChatGPT yourself, play around, and hopefully that's safe. So moving forward, I'm going to find the extension by clicking the puzzle piece up here in the top right, and I'm going to click on this pin icon for Tampermonkey. Just makes it easier to find. So I'm going to click on it. I want to say create a new script. I'm going to paste in the code. So I'm going to clear this out. I'm going to paste in the code and then I'm going to click file and save. And notice that from the script, it's smart enough to pick up the name Reddit auto expand comments on scroll. That was my name. You can always rename it however you like, but we have it. And now if I go back to our Reddit page and I scroll up to the top and I refresh, we'll see that the script is now running. I can always turn it off. And let's see what happens. So I'm scrolling. And you notice as I scroll, it's auto-expanding. And it's just so nice. So regardless if you're posting your own or you're just going on different subreddit forums, this is a game changer. So if you found this helpful, please make sure to like this video and share this with other Reddit users, because I'm telling you, this has greatly improved the user experience for me. And if you like the way how I explain things and break it down, check out my next video. It's about 7 ways that you can improve your self-discipline.